Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by prepping the space and getting immediate value upgrades. First, power the Xbox, install the latest system OS and controller firmware so performance is predictable. Next, swap in an HDMI 2, one cable, and add an internal or external SSD expansion for faster load times. Once done, position the console with 4-6 inches of clearance and a surge protector. These steps reduce throttling and protect hardware, so you get consistent refresh rates and quieter fans right away. You now focus on how the system looks and sounds. Calibrate your TV, enable HDMI game mode, set 120 Hz when available, and tune HDR tone mapping to avoid crushed blacks. In the Xbox settings, turn on Auto HDR, variable refresh rate, and match resolution to the native display to minimize input lag. Then, upgrade audio with a low-latency soundbar or gaming headset and configure spatial audio. These changes increase clarity, smoothness, and immersion, so visuals are sharper and responses feel immediate. You finish by refining aesthetics and reliability. Mount the Xbox on a vertical stand, add a dust filter and rubber feet to improve airflow and give a cleaner silhouette. Tidy cables with clips and sleeves and label ends for future swaps. Add subtle LED accents for atmosphere, but avoid blinding brightness. If problems occur, reset display settings, reseat the SSD or HDMI cable, and reboot in low-resolution safe mode to identify issues. That lone troubleshooting tip will resolve most visual glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.